What are you doing, Mr. Green? What are you doing? You playing in your truck? Huh? Is that your truck? That's the same size Daddy car. Which one do you think's faster, Daddy's car or Easton's truck? Huh? Do you think yours is faster than mine? Should we put turbo on yours? Yeah. Should we put turbo on your truck, Easton Green? Very cool truck, huh? We love your truck. We cruised through Not the Daddy's yard in it, right through there, huh? Right behind the van. Went and did donuts in his driveway. Did we do donuts in Not the Daddy's driveway? Yeah. We did, huh? Say thanks, Uncle Adam, letting us drive in your driveway. We do big burnouts and donuts, huh? Do you hear Mommy? Mommy's over there. There's Mommy, way across the street, huh? And we're just being guys hanging out in the garage, because we're cool kids. First grader. First grade Easton Green. I love you. I love you. Can you look at Daddy real quick? No? You're just gonna try to pull that key out? Okay. Daddy loves you. Go forward. One dodge. Forward, forward, forward. Cute kid. Right there. That kid. Right there. I get you. Smush your head. I smush your head. I smush your head. I smush your head. All that crap on the car, but you see your car seats up there, huh? That's how Daddy made that thing work for you, is by stealing parts from car seats, huh? And we go and do burnouts everywhere. Alright, love you, buddy. I'm proud of you. See ya.